citation of the Thai journals. If I have, I will publish this in Thai journal. The president said, I don't know why you do this. You are a polymer man, you're not information scientist. I said, if you don't give me money, I'll do it myself. I will publish in my home address. And then you give me money. Don't publish in your home address. Do it in university address. And don't do it in national journal. Do it in international journal. This is the commitment. In my university, we do this regularly. Be happy when we get something, we have to return something to the fund. This is common, right? I have to stop my talk on. Right? And then I went through, look at the citation, the impact factor of Thai journals. The average is about 0.068. It's only 0.068. I remember this because it's the same figure as the number of journals that I explored. Right? And then I went to the TIF. I said I need more funding because the 68 journal doesn't represent 700 journals. So I did another 100 journals. And the answer is the same, 0.072. That's for the hundreds of the journal in my study. So it means that the average of the citation is only 6 times for 100 articles. This is very low. And then the very, very junior, a very senior person, professor in Thailand said, right, let's do the workshop and call all the editors to come to the workshop. And then tell them, stop publishing. Stop doing something we call junk. Is it called junk? Something very polite, something not being used by the other. Why do publishing? But nobody never cited. And then I found out the reason that Thai articles have never been cited because no one ever seen any articles of journals because no database can be accessed to look at the journals. You need to have copies only. And then you have to turn every page to look for the article that you need. And one characteristic of the Thai journal is one journal publish every discipline. So you have to look tens of the journal and then you find only one journal that related to your field because they don't have submission enough. So they publish everything, start from medicals, they end up with the art and humanity articles at the last one. So this behavior, we think that this is the reason why the Thai journals and Thai articles have never been cited because no database that collect all the things together, right? And by that time, I start doing the center manually, right? Ask for the issues and try to put every articles into the database. Also the citation of every articles. It used many people to help on this one. What I need to do to put all the data to have more enough to say that the citation of Thai journals are very low. And now we start to think about how to make it better. So before we have TCI, this is the list that I collected. You don't have database to collect published articles, to collect citation of the articles. When you look at the issue of the journal, the aim of the journal is to publish your own papers. You have different levels of journal in Thailand. One university maybe have 30 journals because we have university journal, faculty journal, departmental journal. Luckily, you don't have personal journal. Publish your own paper in the whole issue. Right. So I'm not surprised when I heard that one university have many journals, and the regularity is not very good at all. Right. So in terms of university journal, also not very good because the editor is depend who is the president of that university. So the editor is not very expert in terms of that discipline, because the university journal publish everything that in the university. But when you go down to the department or faculty journals, the journal is focused in one discipline, but you don't have enough publication. 5 years ago, the Chief of Thailand announced that the publication that can be used for promotion and graduation must be at least university, not department, not faculty. But when we have the citation of the papers in the faculty and department level is higher than university paper. I don't know why. So now they said, right, just give up that regulation. We count everything. But just depend on the citation. Today, TCI has been relied on by a lot of organizations. If you have your article published in TCI, it's considered good articles. This is why we have to do a lot of quality to make sure that the publication in TCI are good, right? Thai journal, some of them don't have strong peer review. Some of them thought peer review is being ask your friend to review. You know, peer is friend. No, peer is being the same field. You work at the same level. But some of the Thai people have said peer review is mean peer is friend. It's friend review. I already asked my friend next table to read my paper while I'm reading his. You know, do it like this. So that's why we have problem with the peer review, and also the regularity of the journal. The same here. We have problem with publishing on time. The formats of each article in the same issue are varied, depending on the authors. Some we have inaccurate citation. That's a lot of problem in Thailand. No one ever evaluate Thai journals. Right now, TCI taking a role of evaluating Thai journals in the database. Outside the database, we don't care. If they want to be evaluated, they come into the database free of charge. Again, most articles have been cited. About 92% have been cited before we have TCI. And 8% of the citation, most of them self-citation. Student, cite supervisor, supervisor, cite supervisor. If the student don't cite supervisor, the supervisor will kick the student. It just, this is the way. I don't know what this happened in the Philippines, this happened in Thailand. The more the problem you know, the more the effort you want to put in, right? And we never have any, we never use any local publication or citation for budget allocation. Check, use the citation and give the finance support to the journal that do very good to improve, to upgrade the journal to the international. Something like 10,000 or 20,000 US dollar for each year, and they monitor every year. And right now they stop giving money because no use. You know, the journal is still the same. They don't go to the ISI. They don't have any more citation, so they stop giving money. Okay. And finally, we never have any workshop or symposium for the editor to come to talk. Right now, we have every year. Right. This is the mission of TCI that I said. All of us, 16 people, set together. TCI would like to do this: collect published articles, citation, and develop search and introvert tools in the form of sustainable TCI database. Right, just look at the detail. This is the home page. I'm sorry that in Thai, because it's a Thai citation database. It's supposed to be Thai, no English version, right? So we have here is a new issue coming to the database. Right? The editor can check that whether they send the issue and the issue already indexed in TCI or not.